Hello everyone. In the last class we have seen tenses. First tense, that was present, simple present tense. Simple present tense we have completed. Now coming to the second tense, that is present continuous tense. Present continuous tense means presently we are doing and also we are continuing it. So that's continuous tense. Now in this continuous tense we'll see what is the rule. It denotes, present continuous tense denotes an action which is going on at present time. An action which is going on in the present time. So it is also called a running action. Now what do we do? How we can frame the sentences? What is the structure of the sentence in this present continuous tense? So structure is here. Subject will take first. Subject plus be form. Be forms are total 8 forms. Here I am giving you be forms are total 8. They are am, are, is, was, were, be, been, being. 8 forms are there. Out of these 8 forms, in this present continuous tense, we use am, are, is only. Am, are, is. Please remember, present continuous tense. Am, are, is. These 3 be forms only we will use. Subject plus be forms of am, are, is plus ing. Eating, doing, cracking, anything ing form of the verb that we can take. So with this we can structure a sentence. Say I am eating. I is here subject. Am. Be form is am taking. Ing eating. Ing form is eating. I am writing. I is subject. Am writing. He is working. He. Subject is he. Is working. Like we can frame some sentences based on this formula only. Now if you see the structure or the rules and regulation of this simple present tense and also present continuous tense, you can see that it is used to express an action. It is used to express an action that is going on. An action that is going on. This is the first principle of this present continuous tense. For example, I am giving you, she is dancing. She is dancing. Continuing. They are working. He is doing. And she is eating. Like anything you can take that is action or expression, it's going on. Next one is that it is used to express an action that will happen in the future. An action that will happen in the future. So based on this also we can frame some sentences in this tense. Example we can take, I am going to Delhi tomorrow. Ing form is there. Be form is subject. Be form, ing is there. But going to Delhi tomorrow. Though we are going to Delhi tomorrow, but still it is comes under the present continuous tense. Till here everything is present continuous tense. Going tomorrow, it is already prefixed. It's already decided, planned. So that is why it comes under the present continuous tense. Now related to this present continuous tense, I am going to give you a good table, a proper table, rules and regulations, everything is laid down in this table. Just you have to understand, say it loudly, practice it, then after that change the verbs and practice it. So let us see what is this table. So in this table, like previous present, simple present tense, same type of table here. This is a question mark and second one is saying yes and no. Asking question, answer positive, answer negative. Now to ask a question, what is the structure? First one is that we are taking be form of are, am, is. Are, am, is. Be form we are taking and subject I, you, she, he. Subject we are taking and ing. So that we can frame some sentence. Now to give yes answer, positive answer. For the subject first plus are, am, is, be form and ing. No, to say no. For that subject plus am not, aren't, isn't, So this is be form and ing. So like you can frame, you can say no also. Say example, I am taking eating. Eating. Are you eating? Like this. Now here the question is, are you eating? Are you eating? R is here, be form. U is subject. Ing form is eating. Are you eating? So if I want to say yes, I am eating. So for this, I am eating. No, I am not eating. And are you eating? This is singular and plural. In plural, are you eating? You means it may be singular or plural. You is common for either singular or plural. So that is why here I am taking singular and second one is plural. Are you eating? We are eating. We are not eating. And are they eating? Are they eating? They are eating. They aren't eating. They are not eating or they aren't eating. Next, is he eating? He is eating. He isn't eating. He is not eating. Or is she eating? She is eating. She isn't eating or she is not eating. Anything you can say. And is it eating? It is eating. It isn't eating. So like this you can practice it. Once if you say it loudly, then after that change the verb. Verbs I am taking here: speak, work, sing, write, read, teach, play, talk, drink, dance, any other verbs also you can. Once if you practice this table properly, then you can change any kind of verbs. Use any kind of verb. Like suppose in place of eating, you can say sing. Sing you wanted to replace in place of eating. So for example, are you singing? I am singing. I am not singing. Are you singing? We are singing. We are not singing. Plural. Are they singing? They are singing. They aren't singing. And is he singing? He is not singing. He is singing. He is not singing. And is she singing? She is singing. She isn't singing. And in the same way, is it singing? It is singing. It is not singing. It isn't singing. Anything you can say. Like you replace each and every verb, many verbs you use. I have given you only few. The more you practice it, you'll become more perfect. So this is about simple present tense already over. This is about the present continuous tense. Present continuous tense. The rules and regulations please remember once again and practice it more times. Already you kept a book. In that book you write, and right from the beginning have a glance daily so that you'll become thorough. So thank you very much for all your affection, and any kind of doubts you can mention in the downside of the comment box. Stay tuned with me for more grammar classes. If you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe. After subscription, press the bell icon.